Let's go to Petsmart for the Thursday, okay, Mommy? Petsmart. Grouping and kitty cats. Meow, 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 meow. And birds. Don't forget birds. I thought I saw a putty tat. Oh, my. You did see a putty tat. I guess I could putty tat today. You cute little bird. Mommy, can we take the bird home? Mommy, please. Look at the cute little bird. We want this.
Hi, my name is Ace. I'm up for adoption because I was born with a crooked leg. It doesn't hurt me. Ask an associate if interested.
Look at pretty boy bird. Look, pretty blue.
Yeah.
Where you going, bird? You can't get away from Tabitha.
What are these birds? What about the green ones?
No, I don't want green bird.
Aren't they cute?
Oh, pretty birds. My kitty cats would love you. Oh, he's sleeping. Look at the sleeping bird. Cute little birds. Oh, there's the guinea pigs.
Our guinea pigs.
I think they're nocturnal. They must have been sleeping.
Nocturnal. And that one's looking at me. He's not sleeping.
Yeah, bird. Well. We're here to see the birds.
We already saw the birds. Hi, kitty. What's your name? Spot. Yeah, Spot. Let's go on down and look at this one. Oh, very ugly.
Meow.
I always found this Australian sweet. I love other cats. They didn't play nice with kittens. Gizzy. Gizzy looks sleepy. Okay. We got some black ones here. That one. I don't know which one's which. And that one over there. Poppy and Pippin. Oh, look at the gray ones. So cute. It's like, can't get a good angle. Hi, children. Sophia and Rebecca. Reba. Sorry to say Rebecca. Sophia and Reba, like Reba McIntyre. They're not paying no attention to me. Look at that one. That was cute. Rocky. Hi, Rocky. Are you sleeping, sweet pea? And we got Spider over here. Spider. We got one down here. Very slowly pull it down so we can see this one. Like that. Star.
You're a superstar. Yeah.
Oh, that one's name. Bear.
Hey, Bear. Yes, Tabitha. Have a good day, Bear. Hope you get adopted soon. You can't run from me, Fishy. Oh, did you? Yeah. Don't run away. Woo! He's been away. He's been away. Oh, Fishy. Hi, Fishy. That one likes me. Hi, Fishy. Hi, Fishies. Hi, Fishy. Hi, Fishy. Your foot's in the water. Yeah, you know your foot's in the water. Your foot's in the water. Silly little dragon. Yeah, does that taste good? Yeah, fish favorite cat food. Me and Mommy went to Petsmart. We bought you some stuff, see? See? Look at that. A big bucket of cat treats.
A big bucket of Temptations. Value size 16 ounces. Tasty chicken flavor. Look, it's got like a patriarch flag on there. Temptations.
Mommy bought you a mouse. Look, mouse, the mouse.
Look, I got you some cat grass. Isn't that delicious? I like how it says gluten-free. Because you won't want your kitties to have celiac disease. What's the world with gluten-free? Life enriching for indoor cats. Some cat grass there. Let's set this over right there.
Come get a mousey. Come and get your mouse. Mouse. Mouse, here's your mouse. Don't you like it?
Don't you like it? I bought that for you.
Oh yeah, she loves it. I knew she would. I picked it up just for her.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed our Think Thursday outing. I know I did.
Come and get your happiness. Hey, Yvonne. I almost forgot. Turn in to Sunday for next week's Think Thursday and see what Yvonne has planned for us next week. I hope Mommy takes me out on outing next week. Hey, Yvonne, make sure you pick something that we don't have nothing of so we can go out and look.
That'd be fun, like ice cream.
Yeah, and Yvonne, like we could go to an ice cream store, like Michi's. Yeah, ice cream would be a good thing. Ice cream, yum. Come and get your happiness.